In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a team with Evernote Desktop. We'll keep it simple. You'll open Evernote, find the right note, and share it so your team can collaborate right away. Start by launching the Evernote Desktop app and signing in. On the left, click Notes. This view gathers all your notes across notebooks, so it's the quickest place to locate what your team needs. If you have a lot of content, use the search bar or sort options to narrow it down. Select the specific note you want to share, ideally one with a clear title and clean formatting, so teammates can understand the context at a glance. With the note open, look to the top right and click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you control access. In the field provided, begin typing a teammate's work email or their name if they're already in your contacts. As you add people, check the permission setting next to their name. Choose View Only if you're distributing information, or allow editing if you expect the team to contribute. A short message helps set expectations, mention what the note is for any deadlines, and where to add updates, then click Send Invite. If you prefer a single link, use Copy Link in the same panel. Before you share that link, confirm the link's access level matches your needs. For broader audiences or external partners, keep it View Only unless you truly need edits. When security matters, send invites to specific people rather than posting an open link. After sharing, your teammates will receive a notification and can jump in immediately. Encourage them to keep the note organized by using headings, checklists, and consistent labels. Over time, consider keeping all related notes in a dedicated notebook so the team can find materials fast. That's it. Open Evernote, choose a note, share it, and keep your team aligned in one place.